Repeater bets are bonus prop bets placed on the craps table before a number is rolled. You can find the repeater bets in the upper region of the prop bets. This video is based on a written guide by pro craps player and author Bill Collins. You can bet as little as $1 on each repeater bet, and the key is to roll your selected number more times than the standard expectation before a 7 is rolled. The number of times your chosen number needs to appear varies. You have to roll 2 or 12 twice, 3 or 11 3 times, 4 or 10 4 times, 5 or 9 5 times, and 6 or 8 6 times. You don't have to roll them in a row to win. You just have to roll them for the required number of times before a 7 appears. Remember, you only win the repeater bets you've placed your money on. Making these bets is as easy as giving your chips to the stick man and telling him that you would like to place a repeater bet on a specific number. In front of each dealer is an area of the table with numbers 2 through 12 spaced out to help track how many of each number has been rolled. There are as many small dime-sized circles beneath each number as it takes to win that particular bet. After each of the shooters tosses, a small marker is placed in the circle for the number that rolled. When all those circles are full of markers for a number, everyone knows that that particular bet has been won, and everyone with bets on that number has paid off in turn. Let's talk about odds, payouts, and house edge for the repeater bet. Rolling 2 times the numbers 2 or 12 before a 7 is rolled will reward you a 40-1 payout. Rolling 3 times the numbers 3 or 11 will reward you a 50-1 payout. If you roll 4 times the numbers 4 or 10, you will get paid at a rate of 65-1. If you manage to roll 5 times the numbers 5 or 9 before a 7 is rolled, you will get paid 80-1. And finally, rolling 6 times the numbers 6 or 8 before a 7 is rolled will reward you a 90-1 payout. The probability of each bet succeeding ranges from 0.88% to 2%, depending on the number. The house edge for all repeater bets ranges from 18.4% to 21.9%, with an average value of 20%. One of the highest house edges on the table. Now for some expert advice from Bill. Keep in mind that the repeater bets can be thrilling, but remember, moderation is key. You can bet on all repeater numbers if you want, but be cautious not to exhaust your funds too quickly. Consider focusing on your most frequently rolled numbers for better chances of winning. In conclusion, it's important to manage your money wisely by dividing your bankroll between main bets and prop bets like repeater bets. Whether you're a novice or an experienced player, remember to combine your knowledge of different craps bets to develop a well-rounded strategy. So go ahead, place your repeater bets strategically, and enjoy the thrill of the roll.